How to use your voice to type in Google Docs. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use your voice to type in Google Docs. You're going to open up a blank document. In order to use the tool, make sure you're using Google Chrome. You have a working microphone. Inside your Google Docs, you're going to navigate to Tool, Voice Typing. You can also activate the tool with a keyboard shortcut, which is Control plus Shift plus S. The tool is activated, you will be able to find it right here. We can also select the language, click on the microphone. Google Voice Typing is a great way to write faster, comma. It will allow you to save time, full stop. It can also detect any mistake that can occur, full stop. You can see the detection of Google Docs and it writes what you are saying. You will be able to, if the voice detector is not sure about a word, it will underline it with a gray line. You can select the word, right click and choose if you think this is not the right word. This will help you find mistakes really easily. We can also run some commands with our voice activation. Select way to write faster, delete. Tool to type efficiently. Stop listening. This way you can give commands to your Google Docs. You can also activate and deactivate the microphone with stop and start command. If you want to check out the more commands that are available, you can click on voice typing help and it will give you more tips and commands that you can use. This is how you can go ahead and use your voice to type in Google Docs.